Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Yeah, we at work on break again. Look at all this mud. Yeah, until I'm gonna start bringing you guys to work with me for y'all can just experience. Like maybe one day I might get a GoPro to show you guys what I be going through over here and all this mud. But yeah, here to bring you the start of the 1995 Chevy Caprice Classic. You know, we're putting some 15s in there right now. You know, I think we had already changed the 6x9s, installed the radio and all that stuff. So I'll let you guys check it out. It's just a little bit, a little bit of clips of, what's going on with it. But after we get through with it, it's going to be nice, and I'm pretty sure you guys will see it, very, very soon. But if it keep acting like this, we might not get nothing done for, because of this weather. Yep, and it's like February. So February, and it's raining hard like this. We usually get a lot of snow in February, but we had got a lot of rain this time and a lot of good wind. So it's like, y'all check it out. I mean, if y'all drive a forklift, how do y'all feel driving up in this mud? Let me know. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys. We got the old speaker from the 95 Chevy Caprice. And man, yeah, it don't work, of course. These would be the replacements. Now, when you look up here, I mean, you had like a little piece on there. You can pop it out with your hand, but you got to be careful, And then plus the screws are like on an angle, so you might need a socket wrench to get to them. It's a 7 millimeter socket. Work. Check out the Chevy, y'all. I know we see the Jeep in the but yeah. We're gonna have everything done. Even with the dash, like on the dashboard. When you rip it out the dash. Right now everything is down right now though, but you just start from over here. Should be like one screw over here. Then you unscrew, then you just gonna see screws that's gonna be under here too. You don't have screws up top. You should have screws on the passenger side too. And then once you pull out the ashtray, then you'll have access to everything. Yep. All right. We'll be back. I'll let y'all know more progress. Yeah, I'll be back. Now, first of all, let's check out these 6x9s. Made of cardboard. I mean, the cheapest 6x9s that you might ever look at, it seems. I mean, in a case of like Chevy, what was you thinking? Right now we running some power wire straight to the back. Just because of this post, we're going to use the post of the alternator. So it's not a bad thing. It's going to go straight to the amp. All right, I'll be back.